Okay, so good morning, everybody. So I will try, so after this technical program, to make a presentation of the NEM platform, so what exists in Europe. So I am Pierre-Yves Danet. I am from France Telecom, so Orange, which is our brand, and I am the CTO of laboratories in charge of home service development. So it's around 150 people, which are all together working in this creation of new services, and you will see that NEM is centric regarding this activity, as NEM is user centric. So just switch. Okay, here we are. Okay, so it will come. So hope it comes. It will come. Okay. Just to give you some information about what is an ETP before coming to the name. ETP is for European Technology Platform, and mainly it has been creating so in 2005 in order to establish a vision of the industry regarding several sectors, industrial sectors. And for instance, so at the time being there are more than 35 ETPs so already creating, and 5 of them are addressing so ICT areas. So the areas which are addressed at the time being are the following ones. So we have the mobile network, and mainly mobile and fixed network, as far as we are so probably the convergence between the two networks, and it is addressed by or handled by the e-mobility platform. There is one on services creation and services management, which is NESI. Another one is on satellite activity, which is ISI. EPOS, which is addressing Internet of Things, which is a huge sector as well, addressing the machine-to-machine activity. And so we have the NEM, so the network electromedia, where we can make a focus today. So what is NEM? What is the challenge of NEM? So since a long time you had the telecommunication network, and we have the content activity, the TV, the radio, and so on. And the same being, so you should feel that so there are already some convergence, but there was two different worlds which are not discussing all together. And since 2005, so we created this NEM platform in order to make so all these people so working together and so making some new services, so combining telecommunication and content. And you will see in this slide, so there are several technology and several stakeholders which are interested in this area. So telecommunication operators, of course, but also the telecommunication industry. So information technologies, which is another sector, around PC, software, and so on. Broadcasting, so radio, TV, and so on, which is another word. Media and content provider, which includes TV provider, content provider, games developer, and so on. And also consumer electronics, which brings all the device able to provide access to this content. And all these different competencies have to group themselves within the NEM platform in order to define a common vision and the strategic agenda. So what I will propose to you. So the NEM board at the time it's more than 30 industry, so main European industry, and you see several well-known brand here, and it is led by Technicolor. So Technicolor was before Thomson, and they just changed their brand this year. Then we have the BBC, which is representing today as well, which is the vice chair in charge of the liaison, that means of the relationship with all the stakeholders outside NEM, which is regulation, standardization, policy, and so on. And myself from Orange, which is the vice chair in charge of strategy. Strategy more related to what should be the vision and the technical aspects that we have to address. And all together, of course, we are sharing this vision. So NEM it's actually more than 700 members, which is a strength in this area, and we have more or less well balanced between different sectors. So you have academia, of course, which is very important in this field. We have service provider, electronic manufacturers, regulatory bodies as well, financial organization, broadcaster, consumer electronics, telecom operator, and other, which is so people which are interested to produce content.